Today, we are going to cross the border. We are gonna go into the US of A, down to Washington, specifically Bellingham, and we're gonna see if we can find a couple winches down there. Turns out Canada has no winches anywhere that we can get. And we need 2 winches before our vehicles can go off-road because we're responsible off-road enthusiasts. Now, you're gonna notice we're not standing next to a Jeep. We couldn't pick up a winch if we tried in the Jeeps because we put so much goose gear organization and stuff in the back of the 2-door that we don't have any room for luggage and stuff. So, luckily, my wife works from home and she doesn't know we stole her car because it was in the basement, and we're gonna take this down to the States and no one will be any the wiser.
So here we go, we're about to cross the border. This is the truck crossing, because we're driving a car, but we call it the truck crossing in our area.
I don't know what to say.
I think because there's lots of trucks here, so I think that might be part of it.
I think trucks have to cross here.
Oh, we have 2 lanes open today. 3 lanes.
Learn to count, come on now.
Oh, you're right, you were right. Sir, do not block the yellow sensors. Oh, watch out for that BMW there. Oh, we're getting, put the camera down. Okay, so that's the end of this, and we'll see you on the other side.
Just crossed the border. It only took me about 3 minutes of flirting with the nice lady, and nobody stuck anything up our butts.
She did have some pointed questions, though.
Oh yeah, she did.
Yeah, she had some pointed questions.
She was off script.
She was off script a little bit there.
Yeah.
She was interested in what we're doing, but
not enough to really pay attention.
Not enough to give us about more than 2 minutes of her time. But yeah, so we crossed.
Hopefully we made her day more pleasant.
I think we did.
We're on our way to...
Redacted.
We do not have...
Redacted.
We have like Wish.com version called Princess Auto.
Yes, we do.
And it is horrible. The only thing I buy from Princess Auto is freaking ratchet straps.
Yes.
We all know how well we use those. But, so we're going down to...
Redacted.
I haven't been there in several years, but I do want to look at the tool section because they got some cool new, I think blatantly copied off Snap-on cheaper tools that I'd like to see. But we're really going for a winch. They have come up as the economical winch to buy. Now, this would have been better to do on Black Friday because we were hoping for the sale, right, and it was on for a really good discount, but they wouldn't ship them. It was in-store only, and we did not have time to drive down here on Black Friday, fight a bunch of people, get arrested, and then hopefully get the winch back to Canada.
Yeah, I didn't want to punch anybody.
So, now, we're gonna try a winch no one ever thought we would try. This winch has been used on like every recovery channel, and they've had next to no issues from what I've been told from people I've talked to. So instead of our normal go-to with the Warn winches, we're gonna give something else a try and just see if it works. If it doesn't, well, joke's on us, we bought it. So.
But I see it, it's right there. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
Invented Lego.
Drive faster, it's right there.
I can't drive faster.
Right now, it's right there.
All right, guys.
All right.
Let's go spend 50% more of our money. We made it. We're at Harbor Freight.
Oh, man. All right. Let's do this. Hey there.
What's up?
How you guys doing?
Not bad.
Harbor Freight tools. Welcome.
We're ready.
Badlands winches.
Tools and gadgets line the walls, walking down those endless halls. Every aisle a treasure chest. Harbor Freight, you know the best. Swing those hammers, feel the beat. Wrenches spinning, can't be beat. In this storm, our dreams take flight. Harbor Freight, let's work all night.
They have colorful sockets.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at the nitro gloves.
Nitro gloves.
They probably sell to the border.
Should have had music playing here. All right, I don't see Harbor.
Here it is.
Which is down here. Badlands Apex, 12,000.
Yep.
What's the ZXR? Sorry, the ZXR. What is?
That would be the cheaper model. We want these.
We want these ones. 12,000 seems like a lot.
It only comes in one.
It's just an empty box.
Oh, see, it's super light. You could carry it.
Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, dude, look how light this is. Yeah, if it's that light, I'm kind of concerned that it's not up to the task. That was about 3 pounds.
From From the garden to the shop, find your treasures tip to top. Got the goods to make it right. Harbor Freight.
So we can fit one back here, and the other one's gonna go in the back seat.
Hammers feel the beat. Wrenches spinning can't be beat. In this storm, my dreams take flight.
Good morning.
Where do you live?
I live in
Redacted.
Where'd you go?
went down to Harbor Freight.
What'd you got?
2 winches.
All right.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right. We're going to install Harbor Freight's own Badlands Apex 12,000 pound synthetic rope
Correction.
winch.
Bad land, singular. There's only
Well,
one.
we
bad
bought
land.
2 of them.
That's true. We did.
So it's now plural.
Lands. Yes. Okay.
It's now
I just
plural.
want to clarify.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Are you sure? Wait.
Yeah.
Just so that we can.
Bad lands.
There.
you go.
We're installing the Badlands Apex 12,000 pound winch in both Jeeps. Now, people are going to say, oh my God, you didn't buy Warren. Fully aware. I can see that, and I saw the receipt.
I saw the receipt too.
But we're going to try to see if this is as good as a lot of people say on the forums. Because
Sorry. I was moving.
Oh man.
all right. Kids. After talking to a lot of other YouTube channels, we've realized that almost every recovery channel on the market uses these winches in some
Winches.
in some fashion. I'm going to try and enunciate. Uses these in some fashion, and they haven't had really any problems with them. They've actually had more problems with other more expensive winches and not these. So I'm like, let's give them a shot.
Let's try it.
So as you saw, we drove all the way to US,
United States.
which is a long ways away. We were able to go there and back in the morning, and we got to visit Harbor Freight, which we loved it. I wish we had a Harbor Freight here, but we don't. So
Let's open this up.
let's open this up, see what you get for all this coinage we spent. Okay,
What do we got here?
well, they've given us a couple of these winch sleeves, which nicely they Velcro, so you don't have to put them on and get stuck with them on. You can put them on when you need it. Next, we have a guide to winching. We know no one's going to read that. Owner's manual. That's nice. Oh,
Look at the
this
sticker
is
pack.
the first winch, and I've
sticker
bought
pack.
a lot of winches that
Has a
came with stickers.
Sticker pack.
What else we got? We've got. That's interesting. We have some brass fittings.
Brass fittings. What are those?
I wonder what they're for. We've got their hook. That's not a bad looking hook, but we're not going to use hooks anymore.
We're not using that. Yeah.
That's kind of redundant. We've got,
Oh, look at the remote.
what do we got here?
It's like a-
Ingestion hazard.
Yeah, don't
This
breathe.
product contains button, cell, or coin battery. Don't eat it. What are you doing in the US, guys, that they have to warn you not to eat the winch remote?
Oh, it's magnetic.
Magnetic, guys.
It's magic.
Problem though.
What?
The Jeep's aluminum.
The truck's made of
Well,
aluminum.
fail. Wireless wired, you can choose your mode. That's kind of nice, and it's got a nice, here, put the condom back on.
I'll put the condom back on it.
We've got, oh good, we're gonna ground the winch. Safety first, guys. New bolts. We got a winch cable, so you can use it cabled in case the wireless fails. Ooh, they give a fancy fair lead. Unfortunately, we're not gonna use because we already have a fancy fair lead. What else we got? Oh my God.
What?
We have a Badlands worn winch thingy. What else we got in here? Okay, we have.
It's a license plate mount.
No, that is not. It is a remote mount for the winch.
yeah, it's if you wanted to.
And
put
they
the
gave it to
solenoid-
you instead of selling it to you for a higher price.
Wow.
Oh my goodness!
What's that? Shut up! It's got a freaking cutoff.
We have a cutoff. There's more safe stuff in here than I've ever gotten with our premium expensive winches. Now, that's either one, they're just really good, or two, we're gonna need this. What we got here? We've got more wires.
Yeah.
Here's the positives and some boots. So we've got that, which we will be protecting the positive wire because that rubber is not enough. Look at this. They put protection on the positive wire.
Conduit already.
Oh my God, guys, we're already winning. There we go.
Holy crap!
That
Is a winch.
is not plastic. I don't even think that's plastic.
I'd like you to highlight the mirror resistance here. If you
What?
could.
Did you write that on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mike did.
There's your distances. Wheel depth mirror. If you're at cab, don't even worry about it. Call somebody.
Call somebody.
Buy a new
else.
vehicle. You're not getting a new one.
Yeah. Sell it.
That is actually really nice.
Nice sticker. Nice metal. That won't change.
I'm not gonna lie.
The clutch. Yeah.
This is the first one I've ever opened the package, and
It feels premium.
it feels premium, and it gives you all the things you'd need to buy
For relocation.
to mount it or use it.
Power cut off.
That is, I'm impressed. So Mike's got the winch mounted, the bumper's back on. He's just buttoning a few things up. All that's left is to wire. And before we do the wiring, we're gonna give you guys a little teaser. And in order to do the wiring to the battery, we are gonna add another little feature. This is a teaser of what's coming. This is Epic's battery terminal expansion kit. Basically, it's going to be custom CNC machined pieces that are going to add a lot more versatility to your battery and ground area so that you can clean up your wiring, because one of the few things we see all the time is wiring that look like someone did it in the dark with a hood over their head, not even looking what they're doing. So especially with winch wiring. But this is going to help not just winch wiring. We're going to have a piece for your factory battery post, as well as your factory battery ground, as well as the ground on the body to help when wiring your aux switch stuff. It's also going to come with hardware. I promise there will be a lot more information about this coming shortly, but we need to wire the winch today. And let's get on it. We hit the floor, guys. That's exactly how you play The Price is Right. That game of Plinko worked out great. So we now have a winch on this Jeep. This winch is now ready to go out and have some fun. So I know you're gonna ask me some questions. You're gonna wonder about those components that we just put in the battery. The best I can tell you, better be liked and subscribed so you can make sure to see the announcement of when you can order them, because it's gonna be coming soon. How soon? I can't let all the secrets out of the bag, but stay tuned. We got more fun to have.
Ginger, where's your hook?
Don't worry about it. We don't need no stinking hook. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below on what the heck we're doing, and we'll do more of it. This looks just like a Snap-on one that we paid too much for.
Yeah.
I like this store.